area is related to circle. Okay. So, do you remember the perimeter of circle, area of the circle? Earlier class has gone, isn't it? Okay. What is the meaning of perimeter or circumference? Okay. So, the formula circumference is 2 pi r. So, what does r means? Radius of the circle. Okay. So, pi we know 32/7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's in segments of the circle. Suppose this is circle. Now we will draw two radii.
Yes.
The plural form of radius is radii. Okay. So I'm drawing two radii. So who can tell me what? Suppose O, A, and B. Now tell me from here what is the sector here? The name of the sector here.
There are two sectors.
There are two sectors. Yes. Name them.
AOB.
AOB and yes. AOB is the minor segment or major?
Minor.
Huh? Minor.
Both.
What?
Both.
What?
Both. It is minor also, major also, sir.
How?
Explain this, sir.
Yes. अगर हम लोग यहाँ से लेंगे ना तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? मेजर. अगर ये वाला पोर्शन देंगे ये हो जाएगा क्या? माइनर सेगमेंट. और ये बड़ा वाला मेजर सेगमेंट. ठीक है? So the definition of the sector is the portion of a circle enclosed by two radii. Enclosed by two radii. Okay? So sector, I think it is clear. So now we will go to segment. Again we will draw one more circle here. So now we will draw one chord. Achha, you know the chord?
Yes, sir.
What is chord? Girls will tell me what is chord. सर्कल का अंदर कोई भी एक पॉइंट से दूसरा ऑपोजिट पॉइंट में मतलब कोई भी एक पॉइंट से स्टार्ट हुआ फिर जाके क्या होगा दूसरा पॉइंट में जाके एंड हुआ उसको बोला जाता है कॉर्ड. ये कॉर्ड सेंटर से ही पास होता है कहीं से भी पास हो सकता है लेकिन वो सर्कल के अंदर है. ओके. सो नाउ हु कैन टेल मी व्हाट इज द लार्जेस्ट कॉर्ड इन अ सर्कल? So we have drawn one chord. Okay. A and B. So here, what is the segment here? Name the segment here. AB is the only chord, not segment.
Segment AB.
This portion is the
Segment.
minor segment, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And this segment is major segment. So the definition is the region bounded by a chord and the arc subtended by a chord. What is arc here?
A.
Yeah, this one. This one is arc. And this one? What about this one? Yeah. I think it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Let us go for a problem. Huh? So, question number 235, example 1. 235, example 1.
So 225.
Sorry. 235. Here what is given? The cost of fencing of a circular field. One circular field is there. One circular field is there. Okay. So we need to put here fence. Fencing we have to put here. What is the cost here? What is the cost of the fencing?
0.50
Rupees 24 per meter.
कौन बोला 0.5 पर मीटर? वो फील्ड को प्लाव करने के लिए रेट दिया गया। Isn't it? Total cost is 5280 and per meter का कितना है?
24।
हाँ, तो हमको यहाँ पे कितना निकालना है, कितना ये मतलब कितना पेरीमीटर, कितना सर्कमफेरेंस हमको यूज करना है फेंसिंग करने के लिए, वो हमको पहले निकालना है। बात समझा नहीं? हमको दिया गया है क्या टोटल कॉस्ट? व्हाट इज द टोटल कॉस्ट? 5280। कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर, कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर
24.
that is 24। तो अभी हम लोग को पूरा फेंसिंग करना है पूरा चारों तरफ। तो व्हाट वी कुड डू नाउ, अगर यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया फेंसिंग, हमको पूरा यहाँ पे यहाँ से पूरा यहाँ तक पूरा फेंसिंग करना पड़ेगा। इसका मतलब कि हमको यहाँ पे सर्कमफेरेंस हम लोग को पूरा निकालना होगा। अगर हमको सर्कमफेरेंस पता रहेगा तभी हमको पता चलेगा कि टोटल कॉस्ट कितना है, isn't it? तो इसके लिए हमको सर्कमफेरेंस निकालना पड़ेगा। तो कैसे निकालेगा? सर्कमफेरेंस का फॉर्मूला से हम लोग यहाँ से इससे डिवाइड करेंगे ना, हमको सर्कमफेरेंस मिल जाएगा। फॉर्मूला यूज करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, isn't it? तो therefore सर्कमफेरेंस जब क्या करेगा 5280 बाय
24.
तो इसको कैंसिल करके कितना आता है?
220.
220। We got circumference here. Now what they have asked, the field is to be plowed at the rate of 0.50 per meter square. One thing you always remember, the unit of the area will always be in square, and the unit of the perimeter there will be no square. जैसे कि फर्स्ट में तो हम लोग निकाला भी ये, सॉरी हम लोग रुपीस देखा ना,
हाँ वो मीटर होगा.
गलती से चलिए सर्कमफेरेंस में मीटर, इसकी यूनिट क्या है? मीटर है। अभी हम लोग को एरिया रिलेटेड करना पड़ेगा, सम करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना? क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया? द फील्ड इज टू बी प्लाव, ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ पे प्लाव करना पड़ेगा। प्लाव करना पड़ेगा मतलब ये क्या है? इसमें क्या आ रहा है? एरिया है। तो एरिया निकालने के लिए हमको क्या करना चाहिए? फर्स्ट
एरिया निकालने रेडियस
सिर्फ रेडियस। यहाँ पे डायमीटर दिया है, डायमीटर रेडियस भी दिया है,
वो इससे निकाल सकते हैं.
हाँ, हम लोगों के पास अभी सर्कमफेरेंस दिया है कि we have the circumference, so from here we will find radius, okay? After that only we can find area. So what we have to do now? Directly put the formula of circumference here. Circumference, what is the formula? 2 pi. So put the formula 2 pi. And what is the value of circumference? Already we have got 220. So from here we can easily calculate the value of r, isn't it? So do it. We have already done it.
770 by 20.
Huh?
By 2 होगा.
So 2 into 22 by 7. R is not given. Let us assume radius as r equal to 220. So we can multiply 22 into 2, 44 by 7 into r by 220. So we can transpose 44 by 7 here. R equal to 220 into 7 by 44. So So 220 and 44. Both are multiples of 11, isn't it?
Yes.
So easy. So we can cancel it by 11. 11 4, 11 2 and 0. Okay. Then 4 1 4, 4 5 the
20.
R will be
35.
735. Yes, 35. 35 meter. So got it? Now we got the value part. From here we can easily find the value of, we can find the area also. So find it. You got the answer?
850 area.
Okay.
850.
Area of the field. Pi r square.
Square.
So pi into 7. What is the value of r? 35.
35.
35 into
35 divided
7 1 7, 7 5 35. So multiply 22 into 5.
3850
Huh?
3850.
3850.
Yes, sir.
3850 निकलता है? निकलता है? तो किया नहीं थी ना? 3850 meter square. So now what is given in the what we have to find? The cost of plowing, isn't it? So what is given here? Per meter square that is 0.50. Now cost of plowing 1 meter square of the field, that is 0.50. So cost of plowing 3850 meter square. So that will be 0.50 into 3850. So after that we will get the answer. That is it is 1925 will be the answer. Understood? Now we will do exercise question. Radius is 90 centimeter and the other circle is 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle. They are talking about a third circle. Find the radius of the circle whose circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. That means what? First we have to calculate the circumference of the two circles. So the radii are given. So let us take the radius of the first circle be r1. What is given? What is r1? R1 here? 19 centimeter. Okay. And r2? 9 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
So no need to calculate it here. Keep it like this only. Okay. Again, circumference of the second circle, that is 2 pi r2, isn't it? So in the question what is given? The circumference of the third circle will be equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles, isn't it? Read the question carefully. It is actually given that circumference of the two circles is equal to the circumference of the third circle. So what we can do here? We can write circumference of the first circle, that is 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2, isn't it? And what we can write here? 2 pi. Let us assume the radius of the third circle be r only, isn't it? So from here we can take 2 pi as common term, isn't it? Because here also 2 pi is there, 2 pi is there, 2 pi is there. We can take common from these two terms. 2 pi r1 plus r2. Okay? And here 2 pi r. Okay? So now we can cancel 2 pi and 2 pi from here. Are you getting me? Okay. So, in the beginning of the question, we got the R1 and R2. R1 is 19 and R2 is 9. So, just put the value. R1 is 19 and R2 is okay. So, we will get the value. 19 plus 8. Good. What is given? The radii of two circles are 8 cm and 6 cm. Similar question in the first question we have calculated about the circumference, and here we will calculate area. So I think you can do it.
Yes, sir.
Do it. doubt is there? We have taken radius 1 as r1, radius 2 as r2. Then we wrote area of the first circle is pi r1 square, and area of the second circle is pi r2 square. Okay. Now according to what is given, that the sum of the areas of the two circles is equal to the area of the third circle, isn't it? So we have written pi r1 square plus pi r2 square equal to pi r square. So from here pi is common, so we have cancelled it. So now what is the value of r1 here? That is 8. So 8 square. So directly we can write 8 square is what? 64. Then plus 6, that is 36. Equal to r square. So 64 plus 36 is 100, and the r square. So root will come here. Square root will come, and r equal to 10. What is the unit? Centimeter. Okay? Got it?